Today I'm going to show you something crazy. Claude just dropped Sonnet 4.5, and it's completely free in Genspark. This thing can code for 30 hours straight without losing focus. I'm building 3 full apps in front of you in minutes. No coding skills needed, no paying hundreds per month. This is going to blow your mind. Listen, Claude Sonnet 4.5 just launched, and nobody's talking about how insane this actually is. Everyone's freaking out about ChatGPT. They're paying $20 a month for Plus. Meanwhile, Genspark just made Claude Sonnet 4.5 completely free for everyone. Not a trial, not limited, actually free. And this isn't just another chatbot update. This is the biggest leap in AI coding we've seen this year. Let me tell you what this thing can actually do. Anthropic says Claude Sonnet 4.5 can work on complex tasks for over 30 hours straight without losing focus, without forgetting what it's doing. Think about that. 30 hours. Most AIs forget what you told them 3 prompts ago. This thing remembers everything for more than a full day of work. In their internal tests, Claude Sonnet 4.5 set up database services. It bought domain names. It built entire systems from scratch, not just writing code, actually doing the work. And here's the kicker. It's better at using tools than any model before it. It can run terminal commands, create files, execute code, all in the same conversation. The OS World Benchmark tests how well AI can actually use a computer. Claude Sonnet 4.5 scored 61.4%. The previous version scored 42.2%. That's a 45% improvement in computer use tasks. On the SW Bench Verified test, which measures real software engineering skills, Claude Sonnet 4.5 leads every single frontier model out there. But forget the benchmarks for a second. Let me show you what this means in the real world. I'm going to build 3 full apps right now in Genspark for free. No code, no setup, just prompts. First app, a to-do list. I'm going to tell Claude, make me a simple to-do app where I can add tasks, mark them done, and list all my tasks. Watch what happens. Claude doesn't just give me code, it builds the entire thing. Front end, back end, working buttons, real functionality. You can add a task, type it in, hit enter. It shows up on your list. You can mark it done, click the checkbox. It crosses it off. You can see all your tasks. Everything you added right there. This took 30 seconds. Most developers would charge you $500 minimum for this, and it would take them hours. Second app, a notes app, prompt. Create a notes app where I can write notes, see all notes, and delete a note when I don't need it anymore. Same thing. Claude builds the whole thing. You get a text box, you write your note, you save it. All your notes show up in a list. Each one has a delete button. Click delete, the note's gone. This is a fully functional notes app from one sentence. No debugging, no errors. It just works. Third app, a habit tracker. Prompt. Build me a habit tracker that lets me add habits, check them off each day, and see my progress. And boom, Claude creates this beautiful habit tracking system. You add your habits, go to the gym, drink water, read for 20 minutes. Each day, you check them off. The app tracks your streak, shows you how many days in a row you've done it. You can see your progress over time. All your habits, all your check-ins. This is the kind of app people sell for $10 a month. We just built it in under a minute for free. Now, let me tell you why this matters. Most people think AI is just for answering questions, writing emails, summarizing stuff. That's old news. The new game is AI that actually builds things, that creates software, that automates your business. And Claude Sonnet 4.5 is the best at it. Here's what makes it different from everything else. First, extended thinking. Claude can now think through complex problems step by step. Before it writes any code, it maps out the logic, plans the structure, figures out potential issues. Then it builds it right the first time. Most AIs just start spitting out code immediately. Half of it doesn't work. You spend an hour debugging. Claude thinks first, builds second. Second, checkpoints. You can save snapshots of your work. If something goes wrong, you roll back. Try again. No more losing hours of progress because one thing broke. Third, memory tools. Claude remembers context from earlier in the conversation. It knows what you're building, what you've tried, what worked and what didn't. You don't have to explain everything every 5 minutes. Fourth, better reasoning across domains. This isn't just a coding tool. Claude Sonnet 4.5 is better at math, better at logic, better at financial analysis, legal work, medical research. Anthropic says this is the most aligned frontier model they've ever released. That means fewer hallucinations, less making stuff up, more accurate answers. They released it under AI Safety Level 3 protections. They're actually testing this thing for safety before they let it loose. And before we go further, I need to tell you about something huge. Join the AI Profit Boardroom right now. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. If you want to actually make money with AI instead of just playing with it, this is where you need to be. Link in the comments and description. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Genspark made this completely free. Not for basic users, for everyone. Plus users get unlimited access, but even free users get full access to Claude Sonnet 4.5. Compare that to ChatGPT. You pay $20 a month for Plus. You still don't get GPT-4 on everything. You hit limits. Or GitHub Copilot. That's $10 a month just for coding help. And it's not even as good. Genspark is giving you the best AI coder in the world for $0. This is a no-brainer. Let me show you what else you can do with this. You're not limited to simple apps. You can build complex systems. Need a customer database? Claude builds it. Want a booking system for your business? Done. Need an analytics dashboard to track your website traffic? Claude creates it. You can build internal tools for your company, automate repetitive tasks, create custom workflows, and because Claude can work for 30 hours straight, it can handle huge projects. You can give it a massive task, walk away, come back. It's still working, still focused. This is like hiring a developer who never sleeps, never gets tired, never loses track of what they're doing. Now let's talk about the technical side for a second. Claude Sonnet 4.5 uses something called tool orchestration. That means it can use multiple tools at once. It can write code, run that code, see the results, fix any errors, test again, all automatically. You're not copy-pasting code into another window. You're not manually testing things. Claude does the whole workflow. It can create files, execute them, read terminal output, make changes based on what happened. This is true autonomous coding, and it works across different programming languages: Python, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, whatever you need. The model is also integrated into GitHub Copilot now, so if you're already using that, you can switch to Claude Sonnet 4.5. It's on Amazon Bedrock for enterprise users, so big companies can deploy it at scale. And it's available through the Claude API if you want to build your own tools on top of it. But for most of you watching this, Genspark is the easiest way. You go to Genspark, you open AI Chat or AI Developer. You start prompting, that's it. No API keys, no setup, no billing, just free access to the most powerful AI coder on the planet. Now, I know what you're thinking. What's the catch? There isn't one. Genspark is betting that if they give you free access to the best AI, you'll stick around. You'll upgrade to Plus eventually. You'll tell your friends. It's a smart play. And for you, it's free money. Because here's the thing. Most people waste hours on tasks that AI can do in seconds. Building a simple app, creating a tool for your business, automating a process. You either pay a developer thousands of dollars, or you learn to code yourself, which takes months, or you use Claude Sonnet 4.5 and you get it done in minutes for free. And if you want to take this to the next level, join the AI Profit Boardroom. We're showing you exactly how to scale your business with AI automation. This is the best place to get more customers and save hundreds of hours. Link in the comments and description. Also, if you want more free AI tools, check out the AI Money Lab. Inside you get 50 plus free AI tools, over 200 ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents, get access to over 1,000 free workflows. Plus, you get a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads for free with AI, free AI community, free AI course, proven AI case studies, all completely free. Link in the comments and description. Make sure to drop a comment below and let me know what you're going to build with Claude Sonnet 4.5.